Hello everybody, this is going to be a new series on the elephant ears known as the Borneo Giant. Alocasia Borneo Giant, which you can see right there. Alocasia Borneo Giant. I had to order these in the mail. They came from Florida, I believe. And these are supposed to be the biggest species of the upright growing version of elephant ears. I just planted them in the ground today. We have a lot of heavy clay, so what I did is I had to excavate a couple of wheelbarrows of clay dirt, got it all out of there, and then filled it with a topsoil and potting soil mix, just Miracle Gro. And then I was able to plant this in the ground. I've had it in a pot for a couple of weeks, and so it pretty much looked like this when it arrived in the mail. And since then, there's just been a little shoot that's coming up. That's it so far. This is gonna be, again, today's May 1st, 2022. And I'm gonna do bi-weekly videos of this as well. So you can see the other one down there. And they're all planted in the same area. This is facing south. And these are supposed to, again, be leaves that can be 5 feet long, going upright or upwards in a different orientation. So again, we'll keep track of this the whole growing season, and I'll see you in 2 weeks.